Here we have the triple filter upgrade kit for a Samsung fridge. It includes a Samsung original external filter, a inline sediment filter, and an inline ultrafiltration membrane, which is a physical barrier for bacteria. The reason for this kit is a lot of areas in South Africa we find that there's too high dirt levels for the normal fridge filter, which the sediment filter helps with. And unfortunately, more and more we're finding a lot of bacteria in the water, which the regular filters can't handle. So you need a physical barrier for bacteria in place. So what you basically do is your Samsung filter stays in its normal spot. The extra brackets that come in the kit you'd use for the sediment filter and the ultrafiltration. First, you'd go from the sediment filter, use the little pipe to loop around into the Samsung filter. Similar to the Samsung filter, they've got direction of flow arrows on them. And then from the Samsung filter, you'd then go into the ultrafiltration membrane, which gives you a physical barrier for bacteria. This gives you something a lot more similar to what you would typically find in a good quality under-counter system in terms of water quality, but it is super compact. And it's a fairly affordable kit in terms of replacement here as well. The one thing to keep in mind is with an ultrafiltration membrane, you do have a preservative on the membrane which you want to flush out first. So, and the Samsung one produces a little bit of dust, but not much. So ideally you'd want to connect the water through the sediment filter up to the Samsung filter, flush it into a bucket a little bit until the water doesn't have carbon dust particles. Then connect the ultrafiltration membrane and flush that into a bucket until you don't see sort of a, I want to almost say, it almost looks like an oily layer on the water. Easy way to spot it, if you haven't flushed it enough, is if you've got a bitter taste in the water. That means you just need to flush the ultrafiltration membrane a little bit more. But then once you have this in place, you've got a much, much better filtration system than you would with just the fridge filter.